Okay. Now, see, time and distance happens to be a very crucial topic. Now, see, take these questions. Understand this, how to like understand all the formulas in time and distance. See, time and distance. See, as all of you may be knowing, speed is equal to distance by time. Speed into time is distance, and time is equal to distance by speed. Speed is measured in terms of seconds, minutes, or what we can say like speed we can measure in terms of meters per second. We can measure in terms of kilometer per hour. This we can mention in terms of meters or kilometers. This we can mention in terms of seconds or minutes or hours. Okay. So these are the three units of these three: speed, distance, and time. Now, if I want to convert 1 kilometer per hour to meter per second, I have to multiply 5 by 18 to get that. And if I have to convert 1 meter per second, I need to do that with the help of 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. If anyone has not done, written all this, please write it down. We'll go forward now. Okay. Now, yeah. Now, okay. Let me write this here. Now, first write down some formulas. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. If you get a question to find out average speed, you need to use this formula. Write this down, please. Just write it down. Then I'll just take this page. Now, my God, this is troubling me a lot. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Now I am giving you a question. Please do this question. So this is the general formula for average speed. Now write down this one more formula. The average speed. Okay, let me give you a statement. Fine, I'll give you a statement. If a body moves at v1, okay, moves at v1 speed for a distance and at v2 speed for same distance. That means there are two different speeds. Okay, if a body moves at v1 speed for a distance, suppose a body is moving with v1 speed is nothing but suppose 30 kilometers per hour for a distance of 100 kilometers, and at v2 speed, that is 50 kilometers per hour for the same distance, that is 100 kilometers, then what happens if you have to find out the average speed? Then average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Please make a note of this formula. Okay, take this question. And tell me the answer. Okay, all of you try this. A travels from Delhi to Hyderabad at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour and returns at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of the journey? Okay, just do this answer. Just solve this. The formula is above. Yes. All of you, are you doing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me what's the answer, boss. What is the problem? Like, why are you not solving this question? What is the formula you'll use? 2v1 v2. What is v1?
Sir, 49 point.
Yeah, into v2 by v1 plus v2. 40 plus 50. 2 into 40 into 50 by 90. Correct?
What? Yeah, sir.
Now what will you
I
do?
got 49.9.
49 point. No, the answer is 44.4. Kilometer per hour. See, this is 42s are 80. 80 into 5 is 400. 400 by 9 is what? 44.44. Okay. Very simple. Now 9 fours are 36. So you'll put, you'll take 4. 36 you'll get. Remainder will be 4. Again 0 you'll carry down. Again 4. 9 fours are 30. See, very simple now. What is the problem in this? 4 nines are 36. 4. Then 0. 4 nines are 36. Then 4.0. Then 4 nines are 36. So this is the answer. Okay. Just let all of you do this question. All of you do this question and again try this question I'm giving you on the board. Just a second. Sorry. Just cancel this question. Take this question. Okay, do this.
Sir, 800 kilometers in 17 hours.
Yes, what is the answer? Anyone? Anyone, did you get the answer?
Sir, I got 50.
What?
50.
Very good.
Sir,
50
it's
I also
kilometers
got
per
50
hour.
only, sir.
See, it is very simple. Average speed formula is total distance by
By total
total
time.
time. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is your total
600 plus
distance? 800 plus 600.
600.
Total time is?
7 plus 17.
So yeah, very good. So it is like 1400 by.
28.
So it is like if I have to give this, 28 is double of 14, correct? So 14 would be half of this, so 50 I can take. That means 14 into 100 by 28. Simply you can do, see, no need to divide all this. Directly write 14 into 100 by 28. 1 times, 2 times, 1 times 50, finished. 50 kilometers per hour. All of you make a note of this. I'll give you next question. Whenever you come across big calculations, try to break. Okay, write the next question. Okay, do this. Yes, what happened? What happened?
53.34.
53 point.
34.
Yes, very good. See, the formula for average speed is the same. There's no problem. Okay. What is the formula for average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance by
Total
total time.
distance, right? Total.
But the problem here is you have the total distance, that is 300 plus 500, 800. The issue is we don't have total time. Why? Because we have only speed. You know speed. This is speed, not time. So you need to find out the total time. How will you do? Distance by speed is what? Time, na? Correct or wrong?
Time.
Distance 1 by speed 1 plus distance 2 by speed 2. So 300 by 45
45.
by 60. So this will give you 45 by 3 hours. Correct? You put it here 45 by 3 and now calculate. 800 into 3 by 45. Cancel. You just cancel this. You will get 53.3.
53.3, sir.
Yes, hours. Please calculate, all of you. This also you can do one thing, na? 8 into 100 into 3 by 45. Now it becomes easy for you. 20 5s are 100, 9 5s are 45. Ones, threes. Okay. And this 8 into 20 is kind of, or you can try to cancel this 20 with 3. What will be that? 6 point. If I take 20 with 3, 6 threes are 18. So again 20. So 6.33, correct? Correct or wrong?
Yeah, sir.
So 6.33 into 8 is what? How much is that? It will be like 6.3333. It will be going on. Okay. So 108 into 100 into 3 by 45. So 6.3333 will be going on. But I'm getting 50.6.
50.64.
Okay, 6.66, 6.66, correct. 20 by 3 is like 20, 6 threes are 18, 18 2 balance 0.0, yeah, 6.66, correct. 6.66, 53.33. Gone, done. Okay, please finish this. And now try the next question which I'm giving. Okay, see, before trying the next question, I'm giving you some basic formula. Please understand this. Now, see, the heading is distance covered is same or fixed. Fine. So if a body at speed v1 covers a distance d in time t1 and at speed v2 covers the same distance d at a different speed, for example in time t2. Okay, so here suppose a train is going from Hyderabad to Delhi with some speed Delhi to Hyderabad distance is, for example, 100 kilometers, and the speed what they are going from Hyderabad to Delhi is 50 kilometers per hour, for example, and time what they are taking is 20 hours, for example, and with some speed of 40 kilometers per hour from Delhi to Hyderabad, and the time taken is like 22 hours, for example, like that they will frame. Okay, then this equation is very important. D is equal to V1 T1 is equal to V2 T2. That means distance is speed into time. Okay. So this equation is very crucial. This equation is very crucial. With this equation, I am deriving one formula. Okay, I am giving you one more concept. Then I will give you a question on that concept. Now, when time difference is what? What do you mean by time difference? Can you see a time difference here? 20 hours and 22 hours. Can you see the time difference or not? All of you tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why are you seeing a time difference per hour? See, when you are going at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour, okay, how much time you are taking? But when you are reducing the speed, how much time you are taking? Are you taking more time or less time?
More time, sir.
More time. That's it. So difference can be seen. Okay. Now, so when the time difference or speed difference is given, then an important relation, we can see that important relation is distance covered D by product of speed. Okay, that is, I will tell you that product of speed is V1 V2 is equal to difference in time by difference in speed is equal to product of time by distance covered D. Please all of you write down this one. I will tell you what is happening here. So this represents difference in time. Delta is difference in time. And this is difference in speed. So you can use, how to use this now? Now you are in a dilemma. What is this all happening and how shall we use this? You can use this two together. Okay. This particular two will hold a relation and this two would also hold a relation. So I'm just writing those two relations and dividing the concept for you. Okay. You can either use this in this way. Distance covered by, okay, you can write shortcut, distance by uh, product of speeds. I will write in shortcut. So you can write D by V1 V2, correct? Can you write this? Yes. Is equal to difference in time T1 minus T2 by V1 minus V2. Difference in speed. Please all of you make a note of this. This implies D by V1 V2 is equal to T1 minus T2 difference by difference in speed. This is a formula. So this is formula number one. Formula number two, Very simple. You can use this two as also a relation, this two. How? So you can write product of time, that is T1 T2 by, so I'm writing this one, okay, by distance covered D is equal to T1 minus T2 by V1 minus V2. Write on this one. So now I will also make this formula easy for you. I'll rearrange the formula for you, okay. The rearrangement will be, see the rearrangement, I am rearranging, see, d by t1 t2 is equal to, I am taking this reciprocals, v1 minus v2 by t1 minus t2. Please write on this arrangement. So these two formulas can be used depending upon the situations. All of you write down. Okay, now take the question and all of you solve these questions which I am giving to you. Again, this got stuck. Okay, write on the question. Try, start doing. Okay, okay, do it. I'll write it here. Okay, please solve this. Yes, what is the answer?
Sir, for first one 40.
First one 40.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, good, good. Correct. All of you should get this. It's a easy question. Okay, see what the see the question is very simple, and how to do this you need to understand. The increase in the speed of a car by 10 kilometers per hour saves 30 minutes. Of course, when you increase the speed, you will save time. And the distance is this. So I have given you a relationship d by v1 v2 is equal to what? Difference in time by difference in speed, correct? So do you know what is the speed? You don't know. We don't know the speed. We will take that as v1. Okay. Initial speed is v1. What is the speed after increasing the speed? Can I say v2 is equal to v plus 10? Correct. V1 plus 10. Can I say that? Can I say that or not? We are increasing the speed. Correct. All of you, what are you doing? Are you like following or like
Yes.
dreamland? Okay. So this is the initial speed. This is the speed after increase. Okay. So distance is what? It is already given to you 100. It is not changing the same distance, but with time change. So V1 into V1 plus 10, previous speed, the speed after change is equal to, what is the difference in time? 30 minutes, correct? Can I write 30 minutes as half an hour? Because everything is in terms of r, correct? I'll write that as r, 1 by 2. What is the difference in speed? 10 kilometers per hour. Please solve this. 1 divided by 2 whole divided by 10. So 1 by, what we can take, 20. Now cross multiply. So I will write this here. 2000 is equal to V1 into V1 plus 10. Now I will take 40 here and see whether I'm getting the answer or not. So 2000 is equal to 40 into 40 plus 10 is 50. 40 into 50 is 2000. Okay, so my answer is 40 kilometers per hour. Do the next question, and if you have not done, copy it down and do the second question. Okay, let's go for the next question.
Sir, for second one, 12.5 hours.
Yes, very like it's like
Option
yeah,
C.
good, yes, good. But like no, second one is 10 hours. 10 hours. Okay, let's do this. See, due to bad road, the speed of a tourist bus is reduced. So here Due to bad road, the speed of the tourist bus is reduced by 12 kilometers per hour. That is the difference in speed. Okay, it is difference in speed. It now takes 2.5 hours more. So difference in time. So what we will do is, difference in time is 2.5 hours. Difference in speed is 12 kilometers per hour. Okay, and the distance is given as 600. So d by T1 T2. Why I am taking T1 T2? Because the difference is created in what? It is taking 2.5 hours more, correct? So if I take the initial time as T1, what would be my T2? What would be my T2? T1 plus 2.5. Correct or wrong? Please tell me, all of you. It is taking 2.5 hours more, na? If you reduce the speed, the time will what? Increase, correct? So the speed is reduced by 12 kilometers per hour and the time will definitely increase by 2.5 hours. So this is the initial time and this is the time, the change time, correct? So is equal to, what is the difference in speed? I already gave you this formula above. I interchanged the formula and gave you. So 600 by T1 into T1 plus this 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 is equal to V1 minus V2. So difference in speed is like kind of 20 and difference in time is 5 by 2. Now we can solve this. (600) into 5 by 2 is equal to T1 into T1 plus 5 by 2 into 12, correct? Now in fact we can bring this also here, 12 also we can bring it here. 600 into 5 by 2 into 1 by 12 is equal to T1 into T1 plus 5 by 2. We'll try to solve this. 12 5s are 60. So if I take 50, 25 2s are 25 5s are 125. 125 is equal to T1 into T1 plus 2.5. 5 by 2 is 2.5, na? If I take 10 here, what is happening? 10 into 10 plus 2.5. So 10 plus 2.5 is 12.5. 10 into 12.5 is 125. So 125 is equal to 125. So answer is 10. All of you just make a note of this. Okay, next question. All of you solve this question. Solve this. What's the answer? Hello?
0.7.
What?
0.7.
0.2? No, it's wrong.
7.
0.7.
7.
0.7. Now, what is that? 0.7. Can you just tell me? Meters,
Kilometers.
kilometers. Huh?
Kilometers. Kilometers.
Okay, good. See, distance is equal to speed into time. I don't know why you people are not able to do simple questions. So distance is what they are asking you. So this is given in what minutes? So time 12 by 60 you convert in hours and speed is 3.5 itself. Why don't you solve this 35 by 10 into 12 by 60? So you know like 7,
5.
2, 6, 1 by 10. What is that? What is that you're getting? 7 by 10. Okay. 7 by 10 kilometers, 0.7 kilometers. Very good. Or 700 meters also you can write. Sometimes they may give you this option also in exam. Even this simple question even people have not done. What is that you're going to do? I don't understand. Except Jeevana, no one is giving me answers. Come on, do this question. Do this. See, it's a very good question, a tricky one even. See how to do this. See, boy, like walking 5 by 7 of his usual rate. See, 5 by 7 of his usual rate. He is just walking 5 by 7th of his usual capacity. What he can walk. Suppose if a person can walk at a speed of 10 minutes per suppose like 20 minutes per kilometer. So of that, if it is his usual speed, he takes 20 minutes to cross 1 kilometer or walk 1 kilometer. He is walking 5 by 7 of that. Okay, so 20 into 5 by 7 of that is walking. Like that you should take. Okay, now. So if, see, please understand. So if he takes 5 by 7 of his usual speed, so he will take how much of his usual time? 7 by 5 of his usual time. Correct? Correct or wrong? Why like that? Please tell me why like that. Hello. See, if I take one as complete thing, all of you please try to understand.
Yes, sir.
If one is the total, and I am just taking 5 by 7 in that, okay, so if I take 5 by 7 of his usual rate, I am not walking to my full capacity, walking to my less capacity than that. Correct? So if I am slow, actually, if I am slow, I'll take more time or less time. More
Yes,
time.
sir.
Correct? Correct or wrong? Less speed is more time or not? My God, what is the problem you people are having? See, if I will take less speed, see, my capacity is, for example, 1. I'm not going with my full capacity. So 5 by 7, just a second. See, 5 by 7 is how much? Can anyone tell me how much is 5 by 7? It is 71%. Correct or wrong? Tell me yes or no. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. So we will stop today here. Tomorrow we'll continue from here. Okay. So you continue, you do the questions which we have done today. Tomorrow I will explain this problem. No one is answering.